Is your Tesla Model S alarm constantly triggering? You're not alone. Many owners experience false alarms, often linked to Sentry Mode and the intrusion sensor. This video will explain why these alarms happen and how to fix them. False alarms are unwanted activations of the car's security system and can stem from software glitches, environmental factors, or overly sensitive hardware. The sensitivity of these sensors can be adjusted to reduce false alarms. Sentry Mode is Tesla's active security system that activates when the vehicle is parked. It uses external cameras, microphones, and, in newer models, ultrasonic sensors to monitor for potential threats around the vehicle. The system relies on several key components. External cameras capture video footage, microphones detect unusual sounds, and ultrasonic sensors, added in 2024 model refreshes, help detect motion through sound waves. The intrusion sensor is a piezoelectric component built into the vehicle's doors and windows. It detects vibrations and impacts, converting mechanical stress into electrical signals that the system interprets as potential threats. When the system detects motion via cameras, unusual sounds through microphones, or vibrations via the intrusion sensor, it triggers an alarm and begins recording video to capture the event. False alarms often occur because the system misinterprets normal environmental factors like rain or wind as threats. AI algorithms may misclassify benign movements such as shadows or wildlife, and older sensors can degrade over time, causing faulty detections. Sensor sensitivity can be adjusted through Tesla's settings to balance security and minimize false alarms. Higher sensitivity increases detection, but may trigger more unwanted alarms, while lower sensitivity reduces false positives but could miss real threats. The primary fix for Tesla Model S false alarms is to ensure your vehicle is running the latest software. Tesla frequently releases updates that refine Sentry Mode's AI and reduce false positives. As of late 2025, version V 2025.44.1 includes AI-driven improvements that reduce false alarms by up to 70% in field tests. Additionally, in your Tesla settings, adjust the sensitivity levels to low, medium, or high to minimize unwanted triggers. This helps the system better distinguish between real threats and environmental factors. Enabling enhanced Sentry Mode can also calibrate sensitivity based on user feedback, further reducing false alarms. Start with a physical inspection of your Model S before heading to a service center. Check for loose panels around the doors, trunk, and hood that could be triggering the intrusion sensors. Next, inspect wiring around the intrusion sensors. Look for any damaged or frayed cables that could cause false signals. Be careful not to touch any exposed wiring. Clear any obstructions around the sensor locations. Refer to the diagram showing sensor positions S1 through S12 and ensure nothing is blocking these areas. If physical issues are clear, try a full system reset through the touchscreen. Go to Settings, then Service, select Factory Reset, and choose Full System Reset. This recalibrates sensors and clears cached errors. After reset, monitor the sensor sensitivity level. The system will recalibrate automatically, often reducing false alarms by adjusting this setting. For persistent false alarm issues, Tesla service centers provide free diagnostics to pinpoint the problem. Technicians can perform firmware resets to clear cached errors or recalibrate sensors to adjust sensitivity levels. Keep in mind that pre-2018 Model S vehicles may have older hardware components that are more susceptible to false triggers due to aging sensors or wiring. Sensor recalibration involves adjusting sensitivity levels through diagnostics. Tesla has extended warranty coverage for sensor-related alarm issues on pre-2018 models until 2028, ensuring these vehicles receive necessary hardware support. Many Tesla owners have successfully resolved false alarms through software updates and adjustments. For instance, a California owner reported over 50 false alarms in 1 week due to nearby construction vibrations. Tesla's diagnostic team reviewed the Sentry footage and pushed an OTA update incorporating vibration filtering, which reduced the owner's false alarms by 90%. A 2025 study from Tesla Motors Club surveyed 5,000 Model S owners and found that urban dwellers experience 2.5 times more false alarms than rural owners, often triggered by traffic noise. One New York City owner initially disabled Sentry Mode, but found Tesla's official app-based location-aware sensitivity adjustments more effective, as detailed in a 2025 service bulletin. Another common issue involves animals triggering alarms. Multiple reports from suburban areas showed activations due to squirrels or birds on the vehicle. Tesla's 2025 update added fauna recognition AI, which has prevented 60% of such incidents, according to user testimonials. These real-world examples demonstrate how software updates and location-aware settings can significantly reduce false alarms in Tesla Model S vehicles. Owners should check for the latest OTA updates and adjust sensitivity based on their environment. As Sentry Mode becomes more advanced with AI and predictive features, it's crucial to address privacy implications. Constant surveillance through cameras and sensors raises ethical concerns about data collection, user consent, and trust. Regulations like the EU's proposed AI Act, effective from 2026, may require explicit opt-in consent for such surveillance features, highlighting the need for responsible AI use. The EU AI Act emphasizes high-risk AI systems must have transparency, accountability, and user rights, potentially impacting how Sentry Mode handles personal data. Data ethics in vehicle security involves educating users, implementing ethical guidelines, and ensuring privacy by design principles are followed. Surveillance concerns arise from cameras monitoring public spaces, potentially violating privacy expectations. Workplace and public area deployments require careful consideration. This creates a delicate balance between enhancing security and protecting privacy. Using a simple scale, we can visualize this trade-off. Balancing security with user trust and data ethics is crucial for the future of vehicle security systems. As technology evolves, maintaining this equilibrium will ensure both safety and respect for privacy.